Today, we're addressing a common issue for WhatsApp users, the multiple accounts option not showing up. If you want to manage multiple accounts on WhatsApp and can't find the option, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, let's understand why this might happen. The ability to use multiple accounts on WhatsApp depends on the version of the app and your device. Not all devices support this feature, and sometimes settings may cause it to disappear. Step 1 is to check if you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. On iPhone, go to the App Store. On Android, open the Google Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. If there's an update button, tap it to install the latest version. Next, let's make sure the feature is enabled in your settings. Launch the WhatsApp app on your device. Go to Settings. Look for Account section. Now, if you don't see the multiple accounts option here, let's try the next step. If you're not still seeing the option, consider using WhatsApp Business. This allows you to manage multiple accounts. Go to App Store or Google App Store, search for WhatsApp Business, download and install it. Now, after you've downloaded, open WhatsApp Business and follow the setup process to create a business account. And there you have it. You should now be able to see the multiple accounts option on WhatsApp or use WhatsApp Business to manage multiple accounts. Remember to keep your app updated for the best experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.